Hi guys, it's Jessica from Studio Quirk. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a slip stitch. If possible, start inside the fold. You might have to come up from behind it if you're working in the round. Pull your thread out and then go behind, and you're going to take a tiny bite, about 2 or 3 threads of fabric. Pull tightly, not too tight, and then go back into the fold, and your needle will travel along the fold as you can see here. And then you're going to repeat this stitch, taking just a little bit and then moving back into the fold. So that bit that you're taking in the back is actually invisible because it's part of 2 layers of the fabric where you've stitched a seam. So you'll take just a little bit, and I'm showing you with red just to demonstrate how it really is nearly invisible. That's a slip stitch. If you've enjoyed this video, please check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, or follow me on Instagram at Jessica J. Quirk.